Everybody fucking jump!
All right, everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show underway, get you a little bit of box action. This shoe reads the women's Nike Dunk High Up, White Photon Dust, and Citron Tint. Here we go, these crazy colorway names again. Let me cut this light up before I bring this bad boy out. Now, if you watched my last video, I reviewed the women's Nike Dunk. This is another one of the platform bottoms, so I guess that's why you ladies aren't buying it. This shoe is sitting as well. We check the box to see if you get an extra pair of laces in this one. There are no extra laces. Looks like comes with this one. This is just the standard. I don't know what these retail for. I think these retail for $125. We have them in the shop. You guys might want to take a look at them. Get you got this shoe lined up better. Said, I don't know why you ladies didn't pick this one up. This seems like a good colorway for ladies for the spring as well. The materials, this toe box is not looking right in this dunk, but hey, it is what it is. Materials is all the standard dunk materials. It feels like double Nike swoosh gray to the, looks like yellow Nike swoosh. Again, double bottom. This one looks like it has a couple of type of marks on it. The quality control, it's not the best on this shoe. And I'm giving these shoes as a gift to someone. I could see her now saying that she doesn't want them. So I may be returning these. Women, if you want a pair of size 11 Nike Dunks up high, I might have these to sell. If you don't mind a couple of imperfections. But this shoe has a few. Let's look at the top. I don't know if you can see that insole, but it's a green insole in there, all lime green inside. Zoom bottom. Yellow outline around the zoom bottom. I guess that's what they're doing. It's not a bad shoe in my opinion. Like I said, I don't know why you ladies aren't getting it. I want to show you guys that green interior. It's all Nike Zoom. Inside insert most likely. This shoe has to be comfortable. If any of you ladies out there are wearing this shoe and it's comfortable, let me know if you watch this video. But yeah, I'm going to add a pair of these to my collection for staring. I believe that these Dunks may be popular in the future. They may catch on, and I would like to have the OGs in case they do. Small feet gang, if you could fit this shoe, more power to you. Again, ladies, let me know why you're letting these sit. This seems to be a pretty good shoe. Dunks are in. It's the color. It's the materials. Everything on the shoe feels pretty good. Give you guys a final look of the shoe, of what it will look like when it's on your foot. Alright. Let me know what shoes you're buying. Let me know what shoes you want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!